Hey guys, this is Ashley, and this is our first episode of Momming Ain't Easy. So I'm glad to have you here. I'm happy that you have joined me for the fun and excitement. Um, First and foremost, about me, I am a preschool teacher, I am a kids yoga instructor, as well as being a wife and mother. I have a 2 and a 4-year-old, which keeps things lively. And I wanted to come up with a way to build a mom community so we can help each other out in this crazy thing that we call parenting. Because let's face it, there's no like real book for this thing. We all have our own ideas, and yes, there are experts out there, but not everything works for everybody. So I wanted to kind of start a vlog, if you will, a show that that's centered around moms helping each other out, be it a potty training question, which is what's currently going on in my world with my son especially, be it just tips and tricks that you have that you would love to share along the way. Those things are totally appreciated, totally welcomed in this community. So my hope is that we can serve each other and laugh and learn a little bit along the way and build some mom friendships, because having a tribe of moms is one of the best things ever when it comes to raising kids, because, you know, it's just nice to always know that somebody out there feels the same crazy pain and way that you do. So that's what the show is going to be about. And today's episode is a story about when I had my 4-year-old, and we were in the breastfeeding phase, and it was really crazy and really stressful, because as you moms out there know, you're tired. You didn't know that being that tired was a thing prior to having children. At least that's how I felt. And you hear all these stories prior to having your child about, oh, you have to breastfeed in this beautiful, magical thing and blah, blah, blah. But what you're not told is it's way harder than it seems to be. Now, I'm sure that there's some women that may not feel that way, but in my case, it wasn't the easiest thing to do. So, and the other thing is, you know, you do overnight feedings with the baby, so it's just you when you're up. So in my infinite wisdom, I decided that I was going to get a breast pump and pump so my husband could help feed my daughter so I could kind of sleep, all right? So that was really what my plan was. I'm like, look, I'm not going to be the only one that's doing this. We're in this together, so here you go. Anyway, so on a Saturday evening after we had brought her home from the hospital, it was just dead dog tired. About the third day that no one in the house slept, we were all walking around like zombies. I decided that I was going to try this pump thing. So in my infinite wisdom and not knowing any better, since this is my first child, I bought the most inexpensive breast pump that I could find. Well, it took 45 minutes to pump this much. And it's like, I mean, you know, as moms, that stuff is liquid gold. So I go through the whole process, pump, whatever, 45 minutes, as long as it took to get this little drip, drop, just a corner, as they would say. So I leave it on the counter. I didn't put it away. I actually fell asleep because I was just exhausted. So my husband, in trying to help, he comes, and as I'm sleeping, he threw it away. Now, I am not a crier. I'm not a crier at all. But this right here, I lost it. Like boohoo tears, like the ugly tears, the absolute ugly tears over this breast milk that had took me what I felt like my entire natural life to create. Because I thought I knew what I was doing when I purchased a pump and bought the most inexpensive one, and it just didn't work well. So anywho, the only milk that you will see a grown woman cry over is spilled or wasted breast milk, because man, it takes some serious work to create. So I just wanted to share that story, give you a little opening what this community is going to be about, what my goal is for us, and I hope that these stories help. I hope that you get a laugh out of my antics. I have a lot to share with you guys, and I hope that you guys will share with me as well. And for you old school moms out there, if you got any potty training tips to throw my way, I totally appreciate it. Because my son is just, he's not interested. No. It must be a boy thing, because potty training my daughter was super easy, but my son, he could care less. Don't care. I do what I want, Mom. That's his current phase that we're going through. But if you guys want to leave your feedback, your requests, your topics, your tips, your questions, you can go to my website, which is graffitiyoga.com, and there is a speak pipe button that you can press. Press a button, you can leave us a voicemail, and let me know what you guys want to talk about, what topics, what concerns you have, what's bugging you. This is a free moms community where we can just show up and be moms, and we don't have to be perfect, and we don't have to be magical, and we don't even have to have on our makeup. We can just hang out and have a good time together. So that's what the Momming Ain't Easy show is all about. I hope that you guys will join me along the way as we grow together. And my goal is to be on with you guys at 8 p.m. every evening about a different topic and a different day in the life of momming. So thanks for catching this first episode. I'm super excited to be able to do this, and I hope that we build an awesome mom community and we rock it. Have a wonderful Friday evening, and I'll catch you kids tomorrow. Bye!